Welcome back to Jack on Tracks. Today we're going to build um, this frog. So let's go take a look at that. We got the frog tool. Does frogs and points. We're going to do that in the next video. We'll make the points. That's going to be these puppies. But you know, these are the two cutoffs from these pieces. They were 18 inches long. These are two cutoffs. They go there. This last piece of 18 should make these. So you really need need 3 lengths of 18 to do this, and then you'll have extra pieces either from this or that to make the guardrails that go here. So let's get started. So this is the tool. It's actually really nice. Gonna file these ends down so we can solder them together. But let's see what we got. Okay. So that end's nice and clean. We're just gonna square that off. Nice and clean end. All right, now you slide these in. Now, the cool thing about this is you can slide them both in at the same time. Have them in the jig at the same time. As you can see, there's a little end right there. You want to be just past it with it sticking out. Just past it. All right. So you can go get savage and go way past it, but once again, like I said, I really don't like to waste this stuff because it's not, this stuff's not, this rail's not cheap anymore. This stuff's pretty costly, and you're gonna make mistakes anyway. So why cut yourself short? All right. Once again, take the bastard file. Now you can see this is used, but this works pretty nice. All right, let me move this out of the way. Now, you want to keep the file as flat as possible. Long strokes. All right, that's pretty good. This is a coarse bastard file, and this is a finer file. I think this one is I forgot what it was. One's a coarse mill bastard file, and the other one's another bastard file, mill file, bastard file, whatever. And it's a little bit. This one's a little finer. As you can see, it's really cleaning up that end, getting a lot of those gouges out. You can go as crazy as you want, and you can hit this with. I mean, if it really irks you that much, you can come in here and hit this with a little sandpaper and flatten it down. All right, so I'm looking at this, and you can see, I'm a little proud over here. So I want that to be completely flush there, so I'm going to go back to this course file, and I'm going to really work that end up a little bit more. Really supposed to go in one direction. This one's actually, this is like a cheap file, and it actually, this one cuts push and pull on this one. So, still a little proud. And you know, when you get there is when this top lip starts to get real thin and starts to fold. But that's good, because you don't have to worry about that. That's actually gonna get a little touched up later with the file. All right, look at that, look at that, look at that. Good, good, good. So, we started with that, went down to that, so that looks pretty good. Yeah. Now let's go in here, and we'll start ripping this down. Now, you have a file, get a wire brush. Helps pull on it. Gets a. See how it's all building up in there? I want to get that out. I get a lot of that out of there. All right, so let's see if we can see a difference. I'll put a nice little bronze coating on there, but yeah, it gets a lot of that buildup out of there. Because if you build up too much in there, you'll clog the file and it'll never come clean. I'll be fast forwarding through a lot of this. Alright, that's that. Alright, these two pieces go together like that. And make it the frog. Alright, so now that it's out, sorry about my landscapers, just showed up. Now that it's out, I'm going to actually, you can feel this little burr over here. So I'm going to take the finer file, and I'm going to just clean that up. That's just going to take a couple of passes, you know, Don't pull back on this. You want to roll over in that direction. You want to keep it rolled over in that direction. Yeah, drive it off. Top's the same way. Got that. It looks pretty good, right? That one looks good. I got that cleaned up. Hey, I don't know if you can see it, but man, you run your finger on it, you can feel that little burr that's there. You want to get rid of that burr. Even if you cut a slight bevel on there, that's going to fill in nice. All right, I believe what I was able to do the last time is I was able to use the jig, but I don't think so. I don't think I was able. I don't think it fits in a jig all the way. No, it doesn't fit. All right, so basically what you're doing is you're putting these together, and these are coming together. Basically like that. You want to get these ends flushed up. We'll flush these up against that. Put that on there to keep them tight. It's a little hard to see it, but yeah, these fit together. That. And that's the way it goes. So we're going to figure out a way to jig this up so we can get these together, so we can get the rest of this together. I may succeed and go and order the tool, but right now I just want to see if I can get this going. But let's check it out. All right, put these in backwards. I think that's what I did last time. I put these in upside down. Put them in upside down. Yep, that's what I did. All right. It's going to take a little bit of heat to get in here because it's metal on metal here. So this is actually where having a little brush on flux comes in handy. As you can see, it's like it's sinking. It's pulling it in. I'm making a disaster out of this. This is just me screwing this up. All right, I think I got that together pretty good. Not really. What I'm gonna do, I use these cutters. Actually, I think this is what I did last time. I soldered it up, got it soldered up, and just heated everything up and pulled it together. Now we'll heat this up, get this to pull together, and then we'll go from there. There we go. That's what we need to do. All right, that's that. Yeah. All right, so just clean up the top a little bit. Clean up some of this. We're gonna definitely clean this up the bottom a little bit, but that's really gonna not affect that much because that little bit of solder there is actually gonna pull this thing down to the PC tie. The pain is soldering this down to the PC ties without separating this. So you usually start with the ties back here, and then you get these two together. Oh, yep, that's that. All right, that's how you build a frog without a jig. But the frog tool, you really need that frog tool. I honestly don't think I could figure out how to do the geometry up there without that frog tool. So that's basically that. Once again, thanks for watching Jack on Track, and like and subscribe. Maybe in this video or the next video, I'm going to announce the giveaway. The rules and stuff will be up, and I'll probably have a giveaway video linked into that just has all the stuff that has to be in there. No cost to you, just me saying thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. First 25 viewers and subscribers. So once again, I'll catch you later.